Hello, Bachcho. Let's read the question. The question says here, go through the following figure. So this is the given figure given here. That is, this is the longitudinal section of the kidney. We have to identify A to D. What is A here, B here, C here, and D here? Only the renal artery are given here. So we have to identify that all other part. So first of all, this is the longitudinal part of the kidney, and this A representing which structure? This A. That means this is the part here. This part is representing the calyx. This is representing the calyx part. This is the calyx part, and this is the renal artery, and after the renal artery this is the renal vein. Renal, this part is the renal vein, and this renal vein connected with the renal pelvis. This is the pelvis structure, renal pelvis. This is the renal pelvis. So this internal part is renal pelvis. So for that, the D representing, so this is in the kidney, the blood is purified. That means the urine are released, urine are released from the kidney, and the other water and blood part are filtered out. So the left urine part is collected through the collected towards the urinary bladder through the ureter. Ureter. So D representing the ureter, D representing ureter, A representing the calyx. Then C. What is C is given here? The C, this C part is known as the cortex part. This is the cortex. That means this part is the cortex. This is the cortex, not the C. This is the cortex, and this is the calyx. And this part, that is this open part, that is C, representing the renal column. This is the renal column. Renal column. And this, the B part, that is this is the B part. As I covered it, this is known as the cortex. This is known as the cortex, and the outermost part, this is the outermost part. This is the renal capsule. This is known as the renal capsules. But the question is asking about this part, which I circle around it. So A representing the calyx, this one having the calyx, this is also having calyx. These two are wrong here. Then second part, that B representing the cortex, this is also cortex, this is also cortex. Then this is the renal column. C representing the renal column, this is also renal column. But D representing the ureter, not the urethra. This is wrong here. So this is the ureter. Urethra is present after the urinary bladder. So this one is the correct answer, option B. I hope you understood it. Till best of luck.